Wealth isn't random, it's behavioral. This is the scarcity divide, where wealth strategy meets psychology. Hard work is overrated. There, I said it. Before you click off, let me explain. Hard work can make you tired. It can make you respectable. It can even make you stable. But it rarely makes you wealthy. Look around. The hardest working people in the society are often the least wealthy. Construction workers, nurses, factory workers, small shop owners working 14-hour days. They work incredibly hard, yet most of them never achieve financial freedom. So what's missing? Leverage. Hard work without leverage is linear. You trade time for money. More hours equals more income. Stop working equals income stops. That's not wealth. That's survival with a higher ceiling. Wealth is built through multiplication, ownership, equity, assets, systems. The wealthy don't necessarily work harder. They structure differently. And this is where it gets uncomfortable. Most people don't lack effort. They lack positioning. They optimize for stability instead of scale. They chase raises instead of equity. They improve performance instead of ownership, because ownership feels uncertain, and uncertainty feels risky, so they double down on effort. Work harder, stay longer, be more reliable, but reliability doesn't scale. Ownership does. Now here's where people get defensive. Someone always says, "So you're saying hard work doesn't matter?" No. Hard work matters at the right stage. Hard work builds skill. Skill builds opportunity. Opportunity builds leverage. But if you stop at hard work, you stall. Hard work is the engine. Leverage is the transmission. Without leverage, the engine just burns fuel. And here's the deeper psychological layer. Hard work feels noble. It feels virtuous. It feels controllable. Ownership feels uncertain. It feels risky. It feels exposed. So many people unconsciously choose effort over leverage because effort feels safe. You can control how hard you work. You can't fully control markets, investments, or business outcomes. So they stay in what they can control, and they call it responsibility. But long-term wealth is not built on effort alone. It's built on asymmetric upside. Small inputs that can produce outsized returns. That's why someone can work fewer hours than you and earn more. It's not about effort, it's about structure. Now here's the part I want you to really think about. If hard work alone created wealth, the most exhausted people would be the richest. They aren't. The people who escape the scarcity divide don't just work harder. They convert effort into assets. They use income to buy equity. They use skill to build systems. They move from linear income to scalable income. That shift changes everything. So here's the uncomfortable question. Are you working hard, or are you building leverage? Are you increasing effort or increasing ownership? Because those paths lead to very different outcomes. Hard work builds income, leverage builds wealth, and most people never make the transition. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think hard work alone can make someone wealthy? Or does leverage matter more? Comment below. Let's see where you stand. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe. Because the divide isn't financial, it's psychological. This is the scarcity divide.